How to create a form on HubSpot. So creating a form in HubSpot is a straightforward process that involves several steps. Now here's a detailed guide on how to do it. So steps to create a form in HubSpot. First of all, you have to just go to this website here, right? And once you go to the website, just go and click on login on the top right side corner. If you don't have an account, then just go and sign in, right? So first of all, I have to enter my email address. Then on the left side, you will see a marketing option. Now here, click on the marketing and you have to go to the forms. Right now, just go and click on the forms. Now click on the create form button located in the upper right corner of the page. So once I click on here, you will be prompted to select your form type. HubSpot offers options such as a regular form, pop-up form, and other. Right, so here you can see here I like to use a pop-up form. So this is one, and this is a standalone page here. So I can just go and click on select once you choose your option. Right now, you can either start with a blank template or choose from one of the HubSpot pre-made template tailored for specific use cases, example contact forms, event registration or something like that. Right, so I like this one, contact us, right? And this is by default preset. If you want to start by making your own, so here you can just go and click on blank template and you can just create a new one. Right now, once I've selected, just go and click on start on the top right side corner. Right now, here on the left side, you will get a lot of option. You can search for it, existing field, or create a new properties by clicking on the create new tab here. So I want, in the contact menu, I want to add phone number 2. So I can just click and hold and put it here. For example, I want after email. So okay, before email it will be fine. So I will add it here, and as you can see, it has been added. Now if you need, or if you want to create something your own, for example, that I want to create a checkbox, so I will just go and click on create a checkbox, right? And here property levels, so I'll just write here done, right? An objective type, this is a contact, and here this is a group. So for example, this is a contact information. Now click on, once you are agree with it, we'll type in each and everything here, and then just go and click on create. Right, and this is a way to create, and then from the existing property it will show up here and you can just enter it up. If you want to add payment, so make sure you turn this on. Your account has not set up payment, that's why I'm not getting this option here, right? But in your case, you can do this. Now once you have made all the changes, just go and click on update here and click on publish, right? And here this is a code, so you have to copy this code, and this is a share link. So if I just copy it up and put it in a new tab, now this will be a HubSpot contact form which we just made, right? So this is how we can do so. Thanks for watching this video.